of my vanity and all of the junk in it. So yeah, let's get started. Here is my little setup. I have my TV, and then of course the Alex drawers from IKEA that everyone talks about. My chair is just a white chair from IKEA, and then this blanket is off Amazon, I believe. This guy is super cool. It's called, I believe, the Fintrop from IKEA, of course. And then you can buy these little hang things. And then this is actually made for plants. So I have like little beads, and then I just have like my face brushes. Over here, I have all of my eye makeup brushes, my eyebrow brush, my little eyelash curler, tweezers. Looking into these, let's see how this goes. Sorry, bear with me if you can't really see. But in here, I have all of my liquid lipstick. Laura Mercier setting powder. I have Ben Nye. I don't really like it. Urban Decay setting spray. My MAC strobe cream. This is my Tatcha Luminous Dewy Skin. This guy is so expensive, so I'm like scared to use him. And then back here I have all of like my eyeliners and then my lip liners. This is all just like random, so just bear with me. These tray things are just the random trays from like, I don't even know where they're from. I don't know, the Container Store maybe. These are like $5, I think. And then on Amazon, there's actually some like heavy duty ones, Allegory, and they're super thick and they actually like stay. Like these like slide around and it's super annoying, but whatever. Eyelashes, some stickers in here. These are all of my palettes. It's like a napkin holder, I think, or like a, I don't know what it is, but sometimes I set this. I used to have it up on my desk, but I just get tired of looking at the same things. I do have both of these two Kylie Jenner kits. To be honest, the colors in them are like kind of weird, but they're like still beautiful. Yeah, I use them pretty often actually. My least touched palette in here is probably my Kat Von D contour kit. I just don't really use it. It's like, I don't know, I don't use it very often. It's just the colors are a little weird to me. I'm gonna be honest with you, this whole side is just, so these are Muji Drawers. It's M-U-J-I. This is a set, this top two, and then these bottom three. I think they're like 25 a piece. I like that they have these and they don't have like those crystal things. You have like the thicker ones that you can fit like your bigger compacts and just like some foundations, and these are super messy, so don't mind me. I haven't had this in a while. This is the Makeup Forever HD. This is like one of my favorite foundations. This guy, I actually mentioned him in my skincare video also, Peter Thomas Roth. This is one of my favorite moisturizers ever. It leaves you smelling like SPF, which is kind of annoying, but like it makes you shiny and it's just, I love it. Gotta keep your skin on your face protected. I'm not gonna show you any favorite concealers because I don't really have any. And then in here, just like my basic, this I have, this is the Chanel Sol de Tan, Soleil Ten de Chanel. This was like one of my first big purchases and I just had to have it, but I don't really use it that often. This guy is a go-to for sure. Laura Mercier, this is Bronze 04. But this is the Matte Radiance Baked Powder, and it looks like this. It's super dark and super intimidating, but it's like just, I have my blushes in here, some more Give Me Sun, yeah. These are my highlighters, and then another pressed powder from MAC. This is dark. And the Becca highlighters, I need to get some new ones. This one is recently my favorite. It's actually what I'm wearing today. This is the strobe highlighter, but I think it's literally, okay, Makeup Revolution. This is super pretty. Down here I have my pomades for my eyebrows, some eyeshadows, some random like glitter eyeliner, and then my mascaras, my brow gel. This is so cheap. This is like $2 at Ulta. I don't even know what brand it is. Why do you need a brand name? I bought like 4 of them. And then here I have this, I think is from the Container Store also, I imagine. And then all my MAC lipsticks. I have a Supreme sticker. This is my fam. I have this mirror that I can't do without. This is one of my favorite candles. This is Flannel by Bath & Body Works, and it's lit, so I need to chill with that. I actually bought this thing at, I believe, Home Goods. It was like a huge find for me because I've been looking for one that I actually liked for forever. And then I just have some of my favorite perfumes. And then also I want to tell you guys about this. This is the go-to Jo Malone, and I don't know what, Earl Grey and Cucumber. And these are actually, men and women can wear them, but the smell is so good. So good. This is the Vanity Girl. I think it's the Impressions mirror. But it's so nice. It has these little dimmer things, so I can, like, at night, I'll literally turn this on like this and watch TV. Or if I need extra light in my room, I turn it up all the way. It's great for pictures. And it comes with there's some outlets over here. So it's so nice, and thank you, Morgan, my sister, for this, because I couldn't imagine not looking at myself in this mirror every day. Well, guys, that's all I have for you. If you have any questions about something that I mentioned or didn't mention and you want to know about it, just leave a comment and let me know. Go on my Instagram and be sure to answer my polls on what you would like to see next. So that's all I have for you, and thank you again for watching. Bye. But I think it's like Revlon. Maybe not. Maybe I'm just dumb. Loose eyelashes, or loose. Oh, loose. I almost forgot the most important part. My dog is chewing something up. I hear her. Kaya!